What is going on, everybody? So in this video I'll be breaking down another company that also accepts the HFT bot for the challenge, and the name of the company is M Solutions. So you probably have heard of it before, you probably have seen it, you probably have seen some reviews and stuff, and to be honest with you, the reviews do not look promising. There's a lot of one-star reviews when it comes down to payouts, when it comes down to withdrawals and stuff like that. So something that I did notice is this is another company that accepts HFT bots, right? So if you are interested in companies that do accept the bot, you have to understand that these companies have certain rules for them to pay out their traders. Why? Because obviously a lot of people are drawn into the whole HFT bot stuff, but they are quite frankly not profitable. They're just new to trading, or they clearly just, I don't know, they don't trade consistently, right? So this is another one of those companies. So let's break down the challenge. It's only one step. I mean, right now it's June 29th, 2023. So this could change. This company could go bankrupt, they could go missing. You never know how these companies will turn out. But at this point, they have this program to 65K, 500K, 200K, and 100K. So the prices are, I guess they're cheaper than most. Usually the 500 goes for like 500 bucks. You know, taking into consideration the other companies and stuff, but the challenge seems pretty straightforward, as you can tell, right? You're probably not here for this, you know these rules already. But they do have 7 minimum trading days for this. I actually bought one of these 2 days ago, and I'm currently trying to get the minimum trading days. Have a few of them left. You should check them out and stuff. But yeah, guys, so these are the rules. They're here. This is a website. You can check them out yourself. But I want to touch base on the actual rules that you're here for. So the M Solutions rules once you're funded, right? So obviously the disclaimer is, most new companies allow the HFT bots for challenges to attract traders, obviously, because they want to get clients. Unfortunately, majority of these traders are not profitable, so that is why they come up with these rules. If you're a profitable trader, I'll break down these rules to make sure that you get your payout. So news trading. M Solution does not allow news, but they do let you trade 5 minutes before they hit and 5 minutes after they hit. That's an easy fix. I actually messaged them on Discord. I have a Discord with support and stuff. That aspect, they're really good. And you can click this link. I'm gonna leave it under the description. And in here you press these bars, right? And depending on the currency that you're trading, you can or cannot trade it, right? So I trade the US 30 for the index, right? So I'm gonna look for obviously United States news that affected. So for example, on July 3rd, there's news at 10 a.m. I cannot trade um 5 minutes before, so I can hold the trade up to 9:54 basically, or I will start trading after 10:05, right? So that's kind of how it works. So then on July 6th, same thing. So 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, and such and such and such. Now, if you're trading GJ, for example, you will look for obviously the God damn it, let's see. Well, the UK or the European stuff, and then Japan news, right? So you will look for those two type of news, and that's how you basically can get away with the news rule, right? Here's the link. I'll also leave it under the description so you can check it out, but this is strictly from them, so use this instead of the forex calendar or stuff like that. Now the copy trader rule. M Solution does not allow copy trader, not even to stack accounts, which sucks, right? So if you had goals of stacking $1 million and stuff, I think that's the max that you can hold, but you have to trade them manually, which sucks, right? So I mean, yes, it would be cool that you have one account, and then when you're requesting your payout, which you cannot trade during the payout, you trade the other account. So I guess that's cool, yeah, that they allow you to have multiple accounts, but they don't allow you to copy trade them even if you trade them manually, so that sucks. And they also do not allow account management, which is majority of companies don't allow either way. So this ain't no breaking news, Now, the volume consistency rule is the same as the majority of the HFT companies. I mean, the companies that allow HFT, which is you basically the easy fix is to trade the same instrument. Personally, like I said before, I trade US 30 only, so I have the same lot sizes. I have the same instrument, which is US 30, of course. But if you want to trade multiple things, then you have to know your lot size range, right? So I have this link, I'll also leave it on the description. I got this from Next Step Funded, and that's how you calculate your average range and stuff like that. So you make sure that every trade that you put, it's under the range, right? So that's for that. And but honestly, for this type of companies, I just encourage you to trade the same instrument with the same lots. Or let's say you do, I don't know, I tend to do one lot and half a lot or two lots and one lot, depending on the account size, right? So what you do is just trade one or half, or two and one, or one and half. You understand what I'm saying, right? So, and that's how you can get in the consistency rule. These are just for the trades, right? So the rule is that if you go above or below your range, the trade will not count. So that kind of sucks, but that's how you fix it. Now, the withdrawal consistency rule, that just means that no trade can go above 50% of what you're requesting. So the fix is, if you're gonna withdraw $5,000, make sure that no trade exceeds the 2,500 mark. Otherwise, it will be denied. If you have a monster trade, then you keep trading until that trade fits the under the 50% rule, so you were able to withdraw it. Hope that makes sense. I mean, it's not that complicated. Just make sure that your profits are consistent. That's basically what they're looking for. They don't want no monster trade, no lucky trades. They want consistent trading. 1R, 2R, 3R. They're not looking for that 40R trade that happens once in a blue moon, and stuff like that. I mean, it's understandable for the HFT companies. Actually, some companies have under 50%, so they have like a 30% rule, something like that, which is even worse. So this one is not that bad. And now the profit split M solution is pretty solid. It's 75 25 forever. So, and then the first payout is after 30 days and bi-weekly after that. So it's pretty solid as long as you follow those rules that I said before, of course. There are some things that payout processing time and that they don't pay and all this in the fifth. Honestly, I haven't gotten paid by them yet because I just got the 65K account, the challenge actually. But I guess I'll be making some updates how that goes. And well, guys, I think this is basically it, right? And like the conclusion, which is like any other conclusion with these companies, which is, you know what you're signing up for when you're trading these companies. Like, you have to understand that if you want to get the HFT privilege or go directly to fund it, then you have to abide by the rules. And if you're profitable and you're consistent and you follow these rules, then I hope you get paid with this company. But other than that, I have seen in their Discord that they do pay. So let's take a look. This is Next Step Funded. Let's go M Solutions. Payout proof. I mean, they could always fake this and that or whatever, but some people do show that they're getting paid. They use deals, so that's pretty valid. And yeah, man, it seems that they do handle business very well as long as you follow the rules, of course. But if you go online, you're gonna see all these people complaining. So I mean, don't believe everything you see on the internet. So in my case, I'm just gonna go for it and let's see how it goes, guys. But that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I have my own trading community. I try to share as much information as I can. I also have the bot, so I can help you set it up, or I can sell you it if you need it. X, Y, and Z. You know the vibes, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day or night and become consistent. Keep trading, keep shining, and let's get this money, guys. God bless you guys.